Hello viewers, in this video I'll tell you how you can get Cryptree airdrop for free in 2022 because its distribution date will be in January 2022. What can this bot do? Winners, 100 random winners can get $50 of token each. Top 100 referrals, $100 worth of tokens each. So you just have to click on the start button to get this to participate in this airdrop. Cryptree is a crypto token on the Binance Smart Chain with the goal of making planting trees to reach net zero carbon emission profitable for companies. Website is cryptree.dk. Audit cryptree.dk/documents. Contract is as follows. We are glad that you joined our airdrop. Winners, 100 random winners get $50 of token each. Top 100 top 10 referrals which will each get $100 worth of tokens each. To get your reward, you must complete these tasks. Follow our Twitter page, like and retweet our pinned post. Follow our airdrop partners Twitter and retweet this airdrop tweet. Join our airdrop partners channel. Subscribe to our advertiser YouTube channel. Join our Telegram group. Note, you must complete all the tasks, then click check button. So here we are going to complete these tasks which they are asking us to do. Follow our Twitter page. We just have to click on this Twitter button to follow them on Twitter. You just have to click on this open to go to Twitter and follow them by clicking this follow button to follow the Cryptree Twitter handle. After that, click on these arrows and click on this retweet option to retweet their tweet. After that, go to Telegram, click on this follow our airdrop partners Twitter account, click on this open button. After that, there will be opened their partner account. I have already followed. I have to retweet their post by clicking on this button. I have already done, so I have to click on this back button again to go to Telegram. And here I have to click on this airdrop partners channel, and I have already done in this task. I have to click on this back button again. Join our airdrop partners channel. I have already done. Subscribe to our airdrop our advertiser YouTube channel. Click on this YouTube button and click on this open button. It will redirect you to YouTube. After that, click on this subscribe button. I have already subscribed. Its username, I remember its username. After that, they will ask you to join our Telegram group. Click on this group button. After that, go to the go to their Telegram official and click on this join button. And after that, click press uh, yeah, if click check. Okay, you must complete all the tasks, then click check button. After that, click on this check button to see whether you have do the tasks properly or not. Hello Naman, I'm your friendly Cryptree airdrop bot. You please do the required tasks to be eligible to get airdrop tokens. By participating, you are agreeing to the Cryptree airdrop program terms and conditions. Please see pinned post for more information. Click join airdrop to proceed. I have clicked on this join airdrop button. Total airdrop value is $6,000 worth of tokens. Winners, 100 random winners to get $50 worth of token each. Top 10 referrals, $100 worth of tokens each. Website is crypto.tk. I have already mentioned. Their airdrops end date is 31st of December 2021. Distribution date is 2nd of January 2022. Airdrop rules, mandatory tasks. Join our Telegram group. Follow our Twitter page. After that, you will have to click on the submit details option. Join our Telegram group. After join, press done. I have to click on this done button. Follow our Twitter page. Like and retweet our pinned post and paste your Twitter handle link. I will go to Twitter and I will click on this icon. After that, click on this profile option. Click on these three lines. I have clicked on this share button. Copy this link. Get back to Telegram. Paste it here in the message box. After that, click on send button. Submit BEP20 address. Binance Smart Chain. You can find this wallet address on Trust Wallet. Don't use Binance, FTX Exchange, MEXC Gate, KuCoin or Bybit exchange. I will go to Trust Wallet. After that, click on this Smart Chain option. Click on this receive option. Copy the address and go to Telegram. Click on this message option. Paste it here and click the send button to send this address to Telegram bot. Join our advertiser channel. After join, press done. I already joined, so I have clicked on this done button. They will ask you to paste it here, your retweeted link. Copy this link, get back to Telegram, paste it here in the message box, click on the send button, subscribe to our advertiser YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, like and share the last video, submit your YouTube username or channel link. Here I will send them my YouTube username, Sugar Shop. So click on the send button. Congratulations, Numan. To check balance, please click balance option. Note, if you submitted any wrong information, please click start to resubmit correctly. No, I haven't need to done any of the tasks which they have given. So I have simply clicked on this balance button. Winners, 100 random winners get $50 worth of tokens each. Top 10 referrals, $100 worth of tokens each. Your referral link is t.me crypt tree airdrops start is equal to R0050752840. People invited are 0. Your submitted details Noman Sonu 46. After that I will click on this withdraw button. They will ask me token distribution begins January 2nd of January 2022. So it's far better than wasting your time on some other places. You can give this airdrop 5 minutes and you have a chance to get you can say 100 sorry $50 worth of tokens. So this was the video. In this video I have told you how you can participate in the Cryptree airdrop and get free tokens from it. So if you like the video, then do like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.